How to crop video on iPhone. You can crop a video on an iPhone using the built-in Photos app. So here is how to do it. First of all, open the Photos app on your iPhone and select the video you want to crop. Now all you have to do is simply tap on the three dashboard at the bottom of the video. Simply press the video and there you will get to see edit in the fewer versions and three dashboard on the latest versions. Then all you have to do is tap on the crop icon available there and crop the video and adjust the frame by dragging the edges, and once done, simply tap done to save the cropped video. This method only crops the frame size. It does not trim the video length. You need to use the trim tool for that. So now once done, simply tap on the done option available there and save the video. That is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.